Hello everyone, this is Dot's Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a challenge lock picking video. Today's lock is Ice Cream, which is number 2 by SOTON lock. The key's mummified, so we won't be looking at that just yet. If we get it open, we can have a look at the key. So, we'll use a little bit of a deforest half diamond for this one. Straight away, a bit of movement for pin 1. A little bit of a full set. A deeper full set. Bit more movement. And there we go. We got her open. So, sort of lock, very nice little lock that was, a fun pick that, and I've struggled with this one for a while. So let's quickly have a look at the key, if we can get it off. Wowzers. The key was mummified. So that's the key. Look at that. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like we thought, but look at that. And them 2 cuts there. Very, very nice. Oh, he's usually I didn't even realise that. But yeah, happy days. I'm glad to get that one open. So, Ice Cream by SOTON lock has been opened. Thank you very much for watching. See you all later.